How that smells. It smells like dropping my bearing. A lot. It's about 5 degrees Celsius in here. So dexterity isn't high. Oh, real close. Right, some close. Don't you want to go to your home? Yahtzee. Works for me.
Tappy-tap. Tappy-tap-tap.
Yes. I approve. Alright, so just bored this out so that my dead center thing will fit in here snugly. Not tight, but tight enough. Alright, so just knock the roughest parts of that off, like the lumpiest parts off. Threw a little bit of a chamfer in here, evened the face up a little bit. Not really sure what I'm doing here, so I'm being pretty gentle. In theory, that chamfers down this edge. Yeah, not too bad. Not teabag. So there, that even spins relatively true. Not bad. It's not it's not meant to spin, but it's nice that it's relatively true. Next. So now I'm going to take this other end over here and turn it to fit into my bearing center, which makes total sense. Let's try that. Let's also maybe dump the speed up a notch on this poor thing. See how she suffers that. Go up a gear, just for good measure. Check her on the end here and then get a depth set, kind of. There. Would you looky there? Yeah, I think that would tap on. Let's turn it around. I'm going to do some fussing around. I'll be back. Alright, I just use that pointy bit here to cut kind of a groove, and we'll switch to a different old-fashioned machine. I'll buzz the tip of this off. There. Good. Alright. So come in here, start working that corner down, I guess. Pick up my slacks there. That didn't go well. Is it hot? Yeah, it's hot. All right. Kind of a free-handed point on her here. I did have a bit of an incident earlier where it slipped out of the, it grabbed, likely due to my own fault somehow. Slipped out of the chuck, kind of marred the end of it up a little. But I'm going to clean that up, and will join me back over at the bench. It's just a scrap piece of 2x4 that I use in the vise. It's got some holes in it. I'm going to mate that up with one of these that's in line with the jaw here. And we will see if we can press that in. Maybe the next one down. Here we go. Let's see if that'll press. Oh, by gum, she's pressing. Kind of. Might have run out of stroke there. Yeah, she bottomed out. Nice. Nice. I don't think that's going to hurt anything. I'll use the hole in the wood just to finish driving that home. Yep, there it goes. Something like that. There, so that is pressed through. It is smooth and nice. So let's see what else we can do with it here. So then, if we take our other housing bit, I'm just going to give that the gentlest of squeezes. Make sure that's seated. There, like that. Oh, I didn't need the pressing. Didn't need the pressing. In fact, that's a touch loose, so I might tape that. So let's see if it'll press in with just a bit of tape. Take up that 1/2 millimeter or whatever. It's got difference in the size there, yeah. It can just be glued in, I'm sure, but there. That turns nicely. And then that can mount on here like this. And we have a homemade live center for a wood lathe. There you go. She spins. Pretty good. Hopefully that'll help this end of the lathe not get so hot. The dead center thing tended to get kind of hot and squeaky with friction. But this one is bearing supported. Very neat. Pretty pleased with that. I should have you know. Thanks for watching. Cheers.